Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today we're going to show you how to replace a refrigerator water filter that you swing out to remove. Swing out water filters are usually on the inside top left wall of the refrigerator or in the refrigerator door. If it's in the door, it could be behind a door bin, in a middle compartment, or on the end of the refrigerator door. Refer to the owner's manual if you don't find the filter in one of these locations. How to replace a swing out water filter in the top left wall. Open the cover and swing the filter out. Pull the filter straight out of the housing. Insert the new filter in the housing. Swing the filter into its compartment and close the cover. Run 2 gallons of water through the water dispenser to purge air and residue. Reset the water filter replacement reminder light on the control. How to replace a swing out filter in the end of the door. Open the cover and pull out the bottom of the filter. Pull the filter straight out of the housing. Insert the new filter in the housing. Swing the filter into the compartment and close the cover. Run 2 gallons of water through the water dispenser to purge air and residue. Reset the water filter replacement reminder light on the control. If your filter is behind a door bin or in the middle of the door, remove the door bin or open the cover. Then twist the filter to the left to release it. Reverse the procedure to install the new filter. Check your owner's manual for additional instructions. If you're having problems removing your old filter or installing the new one, check out our video on replacement tips. Save yourself the hassle of remembering to order the water filter regularly by signing up for a subscription plan at SearsPartsDirect.com. You get free shipping and free up space in your memory banks. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.